Hello people, hope you guys doing great. We are back with another reaction video people. MC Insane is back with another track from the album The Feel, and the title of the track is 1am, and I'm sure you must have already listened to the track and watched the video as well, right? Earlier we had reacted on Indian Melodies and we had literally loved that track, though it was emotional one. Okay, so the Feel album we are talking about, right people? This album contains all the emotional songs, as we all know, and I'm sure this is also going to be one emotional track because in the description I can see that it says heartbreak. So yeah, I think, and also this is something going to be totally different because we see that MC Insane is in collaboration with the artist Nas, if I'm pronouncing it the right way, right?
Yeah. So and we know Nas for being such a lovely hip hop artist, and he's been underrated for quite some time. But his music is awesome, man. We have heard one or two of his songs, but never reacted. So today is the first time that we are reacting to Nas. So all the Nas fans, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. And MC Insane, we know that he's a young aspiring talent, growing pretty fast and brings in great melodies, and we are loving everything that he has done till now. We have reacted on Save Me, and that was killer, and the other one which Dimple said, that was brilliant. So we are pretty excited just for the collaboration, and it's year end, right? So what a bigger thing than this to react on something which is at a grand scale. But before reacting, I think we would like to thank all of you guys for showing us tremendous love for the last 8 to 9 months. Continue the support, continue the love. I think we all are a family and we'll grow together. That's a promise. And we will definitely try and entertain, right Dimple?
We also have a goal, right, to achieve, and please help us by subscribing to our channel if you love our reactions, if you like, and if you are floating nearby, watching our videos here in our channel. Okay, so we are not going to say it right now what our goal is all about. Okay, so this is going to be for you guys, and it's going to be, it's a secret right now. We are going to reveal it maybe in future because you got to help us subscribing that channel, right, hitting that bell icon so that you get notified with every reaction videos that we work on, right? 2021 is all over people, right?
Yeah.
So welcoming 2022, just few hours.
Happy New Year in advance from both of us guys, to all of you, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for everything. Stay connected, and having said everything, let's get into the reaction. MC Insane, guys, one more time with Nas. Come on.
Refix got the beat, boy.
Refix. Let's see. I like the setup, man. 1am.
लाखों की भीड़ में भी अकेला सा रहता मैं, लाशी की तरह मैं जिसे कंधा देने कोई बैठा नहीं। मर्द नहीं रोते ऐसी झूठी बातें कौन कहता है, हम फूट फूट के रोते आंसू जब पहुंचने वाला कोई रहता है। मेरी और सबकी सोच आपस में नहीं घुलती है, रोज मैं मरता हूँ जब आंख सुबह मेरी खुलती है। पैदा करके छोड़ गई माँ को गाली देता हूँ खुद की मैं, आज पेट में रखूंगा बात नहीं कोई, पूरे बीट पे कर दूंगा उल्टी मैं। लाइफ ये रियल मेरी कोई क्रिएटेड स्टोरी नहीं, मैं वो पौधा हूँ जिसकी बीज एक बाप ने बोई नहीं। इफ यू आर फीलिंग मी देन प्लीज कम एंड जॉइन मी, इस खेल में हो या जीवन में मेरा बाप यहाँ था कोई नहीं। फक जन्मदिन मैं नहीं इंटरेस्टेड कोई केक में, हेट झेलना शुरू की जब से था माँ के पेट में। कोई पूछेगा तो इस पते पे उसको भेज दे, एंग्जाइटी मेरी कंट्री और मैं रहता डिप्रेस स्टेट में।
प्यार की फितरत है धोखा, समंदर में नाव और मर चुका नौका, अंदर जो पल रही आग बता भी नहीं सकता वो कितने दिनों का। जाने अनजाने में खो बैठा सभी को जो कभी थे मेरे साथ, जो खुल के भी कभी ना खुले वो कहते कि तू ही वो खुली किताब। क्या ही बनाया है तूने मुझे, क्या ही बनाया है, पर अमर रहेगा वो पल जो दोनों ने साथ बिताया है। नया साल करे हमको दूर या पास ले आए हम बने अटूट, एक नया टैटू दूंगा चेहरे पे अभी, पेन ऑन माय चेस्ट ये फीलिंग से हैवी, चेहरे नहीं बदले किसी के, बदले है तो बस ईमान। कुछ लोगों को चाहिए बस औरत, हम लोगों को चाहिए इंसान जो पूछे कभी कि कैसा है तू। अकेले अकेले यूं जीता है यूं, नशे को इस तरह पीता है क्यों। ले मेरा हाथ और साथ चल तू, दिल ये नादान है आज भी दो मीठी बोली पे फिसल है जाता। फिर लेता ये उन्हीं से दूरी जिन लोगों के ऊपर है प्यार इसको आता। इतना शरीफ क्यों दिल तू है, इतना शरीफ क्यों। ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम माय हार्ट, दिल पे है बैंडेज ये दिल ही मरीज क्यों। पापा से हो गई दूरी और गया नहीं कब से मैं माँ की छाया में। उस औरत ने देखी नहीं जिंदगी खुश होती देख के बेटा घर आया है। शर्म नहीं आती है नानी को बेटा पढ़ाया और बेटी दबा दिया। 15 में शादी करवा दी जब मन उसका था कि वो घूमेगी वादिया। उस चाचा को अर्थी पे खुद में लेटाऊं जिस चाचा ने माँ को दिखा लिया। एक दिन मैं फक्र से कहूंगा चल मेरी माँ जितना सहना था सह लिया। वो घर से निकलती हमेशा से सिंपल से कपड़े और पुराने चप्पल में, और दुख होता उन्हें भी देख जब सामने से गाड़ी में जाती सहेलियां। काफी कुछ है ऊपर से लगे हम काफी खुश है। असली हो तुम तो जाने न दो, जाते हो तो फिर बहाने न दो। सब देखा है मैंने, समझा सबको मैंने। क्या होती दुनिया किसी ने समझा नहीं हमको। सब कहना चाहता मैं 1 बजे, आंसू बहाया फिर 1 बजे। इस टाइम पे इरादे न नेक लगे तो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। दो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। दो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। सब कहना चाहता मैं 1 बजे, आंसू बहाया फिर 1 बजे। इस टाइम पे इरादे न नेक लगे तो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। दो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। दो भाई रोए साथ कभी 1 बजे। 1 बजे।
The album itself speaks, we feel, right? So
Heartbreak, man. This is heartbreaking song. Could be a realistic one. The way the emotion is portrayed looks like real story, and what a fantastic start, and what a change of beat, and what a beautiful lyrics, right, Dimple?
of course.
Katil, man. This is like too deep, too dark, and too real. So we will talk, guys. Watch till the end.
So that was the track 1 AM from the album The Feel, Heartbreak, and obviously we literally felt what they are going through. It's really emotional track again. We can feel their pain, okay? So it's very easy to be understood again, you know, literally they are just pouring out their heart, and it's so emotional, you know, the way Naz explained what he had to go through and all those things. And when we come to MC Insane, and this time he was talking about his family, and yeah, we guys all know that sometimes relatives can be so toxic in our life, right? So having said that, people, you know, one thing I would love to tell you all my friends that, you know, stay positive and do not get deep down thinking too much about what had made you emotional or sad, right? So you need to try to forget those things, because I don't know, for some people, like, you know, even I'm kind of emotional person, so the time I just listened to this track, I was like literally controlling my tears out because I really felt their story, okay? Yeah, so people, at the end, don't be sad. Think positive, be happy, try to be happy, be with your friends, be with your family who love you, right? So yeah.
Exactly, man. I think that's the bottom line, man. Be happy, guys. Don't take stress, don't think too much. And this song was literally so sadistic, right? So real, right? People experience day in and day out, and the way it started, I like the videography concept. Cinematography was like brilliant, and the music produced by Refix, right? Refix. Great, man. There were some of the switches that happened. It was excellent, and the beat was like mind blowing.
Yeah, the music.
If you were putting a headphone on, you were just blown away with the beat. But keeping the beat aside, with Naz, my God, to come out open and talk about his real story, I think we need guts. And hats off to this guy, man. He talked deep down personal secrets that he had in life, and what a way, man, what a way to vent out. And rap hip hop that way is an art to vent out what is happening real in your life, right? And these two guys have done a great job of showing their emotion, the story that they wanted to tell us, and we have heard it, man. We are kind of emotional because it was too dark, too sadistic, and a lot of people go through this, right? So we understand what is loneliness, what is depression, what is to feel when you are separated from your loved ones. I think that's the entire story about. And there were also elements about your relatives being toxic, like Dimple said, where they try to pull things that is little glittery and throw something which is like not so great, right? No, which is dull. So I think that's the mentality of human beings these days. So we need to live with it. But Nas per se, he talked about so many things. I like the phrase where he said that if anxiety is a country, then I am depressed, right? So what a beautiful, what a thought-provoking line, man. Hats off, man. You did a brilliant job. He talked about men don't cry, but if I get somebody to lean on, I would cry for days. My God. Crazy line, man. So that means it shows that he is in a lonely state. He needs people to surround him, and we talk that if somebody wants to join him. I think you have a big family. I think there are a lot of your fans who wants to join you, and we are one of them too. So don't think too much. I think it happens to everybody. And he talked about very personal things about mom, right? So
he has already got so many shoulders lean on. So
yeah. So we hear you, Naz. I know what you're going through. Very strong statements, strong lines, but well crafted, beautiful lines.
Yeah.
Amazing work, right? So, and the shot with the old television was brilliant, and Insane being insane. I think this time he talked about his mom, right? So he talked about a lot of things that he couldn't do for her, but he brought that angle. And he also talked about his family, mom's family, how they used to treat him, got her married at the age of 15, and she was not able to enjoy life, and so many things, man. We hear you, we understand both of you. Brilliant storytelling at the end of the year. But yeah, I think that is what hip hop is in its true form. Tell the story as it is.
Yeah. So let's leave all the tears and emotional phases of our life that we have gone through all this while, all these years, and just cut it off for this 2021. Let's be happy, let's stay positive, and think about good things that's gonna happen in future now.
So all the best to everybody. Have a brilliant life, blessed life. Don't think too much.
Yeah. And happy new year in
Again.
advance, people. Stay with your loved ones, celebrate, and see you with our next reaction
Next year.
next year.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.